Hey Broncos! If you've already completed your 2020-2021 free application for federal student aid or FAFSA application and want to know your next step, this video is for you. Once your FAFSA is submitted to the U.S. Department of Education, their department will determine if your application is selected for a process called verification. Verification is a process that must be completed before a financial aid package is offered to you. During the process, you will confirm that the data reported on your application is accurate. If you are selected for verification, our office will send a missing information letter or email weekly for requested documentation. Please submit any documents as soon as possible to delay further processing of your financial aid. During verification, you will confirm your household, tax, and income information that was given on the FAFSA application. All required forms will be listed on your banner SelfService. Your missing information letter will also list the forms that must be submitted to our office. All forms are available online at www.uncfsu.edu/finaid-forms. If your FAFSA is not selected for verification, or once you have completed the verification process, you will receive a financial aid offer. To review your aid package, log on to Banner SelfService at www.uncfsu.edu/banner and enter your banner ID and password. Each student will receive notification once their aid package is available for review. Please note, the first time you log into Banner SelfService, your password is your date of birth as your 2-digit month, 2-digit date, and 2-digit year. All grants and scholarships are automatically accepted on your behalf. However, you must review and accept the terms and conditions of your offer before your aid will pay. To review, please click on the Terms and Conditions tab. If you are offered loans, you may also accept or decline your student loans on the Accept Award Offer tab in your banner. For any questions, please contact our office by emailing us at finaid@uncfsu.edu or by calling 910-672-1325.